What's up, Doinks? Welcome back to Sudoku with Jue. My name is Sudoku. It's Sunday. It's not Sunday. It's Monday, so you know what that means. It's time for a brand new Artisanal Sudoku. Today we have Even Flow by James Sinclair from volume 191. All right. Normal Sudoku rules apply. We have thermometers, German whispers, and we have shaded squares. All right. Normal Sudoku rules 1 to 9, every row, every column, every 3 by 3 box. Not this one. Then we have thermometers. So the digits have to increase from the bulb end. This is the bulb end, and they have to go up. German whispers, these green lines, the digits have to differ by at least 5. So this and this have to differ by at least 5. So this could be a 1, then this could be 6, 7, 8, or 9, and then this would have to go down. So if this is a 1, that could be a 9, this could be a 2. For instance, then we have these shaded squares. Digits in cells with a shaded square are even. All right, let's see what we can do here. First off, I'm just going to highlight all of those and do 2, 4, 6, 8 because we know those are even. All right, so let's see. This could be here, but it doesn't have to be. All right. So we know that these are going to be the same parity, and then these are going to be the same parity. So then this one. All right. Where do we start here? Okay. So fours cannot be in the middle of a German whisper because they would have to be next to a 9 on both sides. Same with 6s. So that's a 2, 8 now. 4 and 6 can be on the end. They just can't be in the middle. Yes. Oh, 4 and 6. Yeah, that's right. Because if this is a 4, actually no, this could not be a 4. Because if this is a 4, it would have to be a difference of 5. Okay, so this is not a 4, 6, so that's a 2, 8 pair. So then this is going to be a 2, 8 pair as well for the same reasons. So this is now no longer a 2, 8, and then that's not a 2, 8. So then this will be a 2, 8 as well, and then this is going to be a 2, 8 as well. So then this is not a 2, 8, it's a 4, 6. This will be a 4, 6, and then that'll be a 4, 6. Interesting. Okay. So then this is going to be a 1, 9 pair. Because it has to be. Because if it's a 4, the only way it could be is a 9. And if it's a 6, the only one it could be is a 1. And then go up to 9. If it's a 1, it go up to 9 and then down to 4. All right, that's interesting. That's a fun little bit. And then similarly, 1, 9 over here as well. All right. 8, 2. So then these are going to be the same. And then these are going to be the same. All right. I'm going to highlight those like that. So then this is going to be green. So those are going to be greens, and then those are going to be pinks. Okay, that's interesting. So then this is going to be pink. And then this is going to be the green. All right, that's quite the interesting. Okay, so then this is not going to be a 2 or an 8. That's going to be a 4, 6. Could have done that before, but I did not. I was not paying attention. So then this would be the same parity, same parity, same parity. So these are going to be the same. Put those as orange. Okay, 5. So 5 cannot never be on a German whisper. So it's in this box. It could be in those 3. No, that's not good enough. Okay. Oh wait, so if this is a 4 or a 6, then yeah, this is going to be a 1, 9, and then that's going to be a 1 or a 9 as well. Okay. So then, okay, then 2, 8, that's going to be a 2, 8 as well. And then this becomes a 3, 3, 5, 7 triple. And then that's not a 5 because 5 can never be on a German whisper. Okay, interesting. Then this is going to be a 3, 7 as well. So it does look like it's going to be mirrored. 3, 5, and 7, okay. And then this digit is going to be here, 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 or here. Okay, so let's see if those are, those are 4 or 6. This can never be a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, that is possible. Interesting. Okay. I'm going to delete that for now. Okay. Okay, so then the orange is going to be in one of these two squares, because a 4 and a 6 can never be in the middle of a German whisper. So we know that we can place them here. Okay, and then there and there. Pink and green are in one of those twos. This is way tougher than I was expecting. Okay. Excuse me. Fives are in here. Okay. So what can we figure out from this? Okay. Can we figure out, so we know that 2 and 8 have to be in here. Okay, so this can never be, this can only be an 8, but it can never be a 2. So that has to be an 8, okay? Because the only option for the 8, yeah, so this is the 8. So then this is now a 9. That's going to be a 1. It's a 1 as well. So I can place That's a 6, 6. This will be a 7, 7. Delete those 7s. All right, so then this is a 2. That's going to be an 8. And then the 2 has to be in this square, so that's going to be a 2 here. That's going to be a 1. That's now a 9, 1. So this will be the 4. That's a 6. Okay, so okay. Okay, so now green is 2. There we go. Right, okay, I'm gonna have to move that pink, move that green. Okay, there we go. So green is gonna be 2, pink is gonna be 8. So then this is a 2, that's gonna be an 8. This is a 2, and then this is gonna be an 8. So delete that 2, 8, that's now a 4, 6 pair with that. So this and this are going to be the same. This is now a 3, 5 pair. This is a 3, 4, 5 triple. This is the 6. So that's a 4, 6. I could have done that earlier with that 4, but I wasn't paying attention. So this is now a 9 and a 1. Okay. So then this has to be, this is a 3. That's a 5, 3. This will be a 5, 3, 5. This is now a 3, 4 pair. So this is now a 7. Okay, this is a 3, 4, 7 triple in the column. All right, this has to go down and it has to be a 1. 2, 3, then we need a 4 and a 9, so 4 will go there. That's a 9. Oh, okay. When I stated earlier, 4 cannot be in the middle of a German whisper. It cannot be in the middle if the other digits see each other. So this one can be, this one works because I can put 9s in both of those. And then this becomes a 3. Okay, that's good. That was good. Nice little trick. So then this is a 1, 7 pair, which puts this as a 4, 5, 6 triple. That's not a 6. 2, 3. This becomes a 4, 9, and you can do 9 here. That's a 4. That's not a 4. Then I can do, this is a 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7 triple. That is not a 3. 2. Okay, then this has to be, it can be a 6. So this is going to be a 7 or a 9. Actually, hang on. Let me just do the 9s there. 9s here. 7s here. What do we need here? 4, 5. How about I just solve this row, or this column, I mean. That's a good idea. So that'll be a 6. This is a 1, 3, 7. 1, 3, 7. That's not a 1. All right. We need 3, 4, 5, and 7. Okay, on 3, 4, 5, and 7, 7 is the only option on the German whisper. So that's going to be a 3. That's a 1, 7. This is a 5. That's a 4, 6, which puts this as a 3. This is now a 5, 7. Then we need 5 and 9. 5 can never be on a German whisper. It's a 5. Then we have 4 and 5, so we can place 9 here. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. That's a 5. Then we need a 1 and a 3, so that'll be a 1, 3. That's not a 3. That's not a 1. This becomes a 3, 7. And then this is a 1, 4, 7. So that's a 4, 3, 4. That's now a 7. It's a 1. That'll be a 7. Finish it off with a 3. Ooh, that took me way too long to break in. But I mean, it was a good puzzle. As always, James always puts out good puzzles at that. But that just tricked me up a little too much.